All right, ma'am. So first of all, thanks for the interview. Thanks for accepting my request for the interview.
My pleasure.
Yes, ma'am. So my first question is how you got into law and what are your experiences in this field?
I have been working since 2010 in this field.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, how I got into law, it was my inspiration has been my forefathers because my great grandfather was also in that very field. So
Yes,
since
ma'am.
birth, I was just saying to my parents, yes, I will become the law professor or the judge. So
Okay, ma'am.
I just attempted for judicial services also, but my circumstances got adverse. My mother got cancer patient, so I just didn't try more than that. So
Right,
I just
ma'am.
came into that field because I have been the professor of law not by chance, but by my ambition, due to my ambition, because I was very much interested in law since my childhood days. Nothing else like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. And the second question is what
Yes.
advices would you like to give to us, like the
Well,
new generation lawyers?
yeah, I have been seeing that students are not much into studies nowadays. They
Yes,
are
ma'am.
just more focused on the guest papers. They are just going through Mansis, they are just going through the unique paper, and while just reading through or just going through those guest papers, they are just bringing those guest papers to us and say to us that, Madam, please take 5 or 10 important questions out of 25 or 30.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they should just go through the books properly. This is my firm advice for those students.
Right, ma'am. That's a nice advice.
Thank you.
And and the last
That
question
is a
is
practical advice, in
yes,
fact.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And the last question is what
Yeah.
changes would you like to see in the legal system of India?
Well, legal system of India, I must assert that the legal system is working smoothly, but there is a need of improvement. Like number of judges are not much,
Yes, ma'am.
and that's why there is no speedy judgment system. Courts are just lingering on the cases years by years.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for the same purpose, we should increase the shifts of the courts. There should be evening shift also,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
number of the recruitment of judges should be increased. That is why price for the same.
Right, ma'am. Thanks
Thank
for the
you.
interview once again.
Yeah, it's Mandakini Kapoor this side.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay.